Hey guys! Welcome back to our top capable channel. So, picture this, you're going about your day, doing your thing, when suddenly it hits you like a ton of bricks, you've completely forgotten your iPad passcode. After multiple attempts, you still can't recall the correct passcode and you just got locked out from your iPad in the end. We've all been there, right? It's one of those frustrating moments that can make you feel like you've hit a roadblock. But fear not. You can unlock your iPad without a passcode or using iTunes by resetting the device. No more feeling locked out, it's time to get back in the game. Before we get started, it's important to note that resetting your iPad to unlock it without passcode or iTunes means that all your data will be wiped clean. Yup, you heard it right, a fresh start. But hey, don't worry, you have options. After the reset, you can either start your iPad from scratch, setting it up like a brand new device, or you can restore your data from a backup to get back all those precious photos, contacts, and apps. So, weigh your options, decide what's best for you, and let's get cracking. Alright, here's the first method to unlock your iPad, the Erase iPad option. It's a handy feature that appears on the iPad unavailable or security lockout screen. And it's super convenient because you don't need a computer or iTunes. Just right at your fingertips, you can easily unlock your iPad without a passcode or iTunes. But make sure that your iPad is running iOS 15.2 or later, and has a stable network connection. Also, you'll have to know about the Apple ID password used on your iPad. Now check out how to use it to unlock your iPad without a passcode or iTunes. Keep entering the wrong passcodes to your iPad, until you got an iPad unavailable or security lockout screen with the Erase iPad option in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Tap it again to confirm the rest. Here you need to enter your Apple ID password to log out. Then click Erase to start the reset. Wait for some time before it is finished. Once done, you can decide to start the iPad anew or recover the data from your iCloud backup. Another way to unlock your iPad without a passcode or iTunes is using Find My in iCloud. It's a remote solution, which means you can unlock your iPad without passcode or iTunes even when it's not in your hand. Now, before you jump into it, here are a few conditions to keep in mind. This method will only work if you have Find My iPad enabled on your device, which is a lifesaver in situations like this. Also, your iPad must be connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. So, make sure you meet these criteria, and let's go over the steps to unlock your iPad in this way. Grab a device with internet access and head over to the iCloud website. Here we'll use a computer. Sign in using your Apple ID and password, the same ones associated with your locked iPad. Once you're logged in, click on the Find My icon here. You'll see a map displaying the location of your iOS devices. From the All Devices drop-down menu at the top, select your locked iPad. Look for the Erase iPad option and click on it. Confirm your decision to erase the device when prompted. It will take some time while your iPad gets wiped clean of all data and settings. And there you have it. Your iPad will be unlocked, fresh as a daisy. You can then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPad as a new device or restore from a backup. If you happen to forget both your iPad lock screen passcode and your Apple ID password, then you cannot use the methods we just talked about. But you still got another way to unlock your iPad without a passcode or iTunes, which is using the AppGeeker iPhone Unlocker. It's a reliable and efficient program that helps not only reset your forgotten passcode, but also bypass your screen time passcode and iCloud activation lock. Go to this website for more information. We've also put it in the description below. Now, let's dive into the steps to unlock your iPad using this software. First off, download and install the AppGeeker iPhone Unlocker on your PC or Mac. Launch it once it gets installed. Choose the blue option on the menu, Wipe Passcode. and hit Start on the next page. Follow the instructions in this link. Device is connected but not recognized. To connect your locked iPad to the computer using a USB cable and put it into recovery mode. When your iPad is detected by the software, you will then need to confirm your device information, and click Start to go on. A firmware package will be downloaded. Give it a while to complete. Later you'll need to enter 4 zeros in the blank and click the purple unlock to start the reset on your iPad. And that's it. With the help of the app Geeker iPhone Unlocker, you can efficiently unlock your iPad and regain control over your device without Passcode or iTunes. Feel free to set up your iPad now. That's all for today's video. If you think it is helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to watch more of our latest videos, please also subscribe. Thanks for watching.